Now that the bottom piece of the quarter panel has been secured and is not moving around, I can go ahead and finalize the gaps between the door and the quarter panel itself and all the clearances so that it will allow for the door to open and close freely. Also visible are the screws that were welded in to act as bump stops. They're doing a great job by keeping the door skin's shape along the old door surface. I started the process of filling in the gap panels from the back, working my way forward from there. Just adding some etching primer to prevent from rust. Next, I'm working on the gap inside the quarter panel. Keep in mind, I'm not welding any of these panels to the car itself. Everything is removable as of now, and that's the way I'm going to keep it until I decide how to go further. Same thing was done to the inside of the door panel by filling in that gap with a piece of sheet metal. Unfortunately, the camera didn't record all of this process, but nonetheless, you get the idea of how it was done. The same process has been repeated for the other side, and I found no point in recording the same thing, so here are some pictures.